Welcome to the world of Jasper.AI, where artificial intelligence meets business success. Today, we'll explore the importance of success stories in business and how Jasper.AI is revolutionizing various industries. In the healthcare industry, Jasper.AI has been a game changer. With its implementation, positive outcomes have been achieved through patient diagnosis and treatment, resulting in improved healthcare services. Imagine a world where medical professionals can make accurate decisions to improve patient care. Jasper.AI is making this a reality. Moving on to the customer service industry, Jasper.AI has increased customer satisfaction and engagement. With its implementation, customers can receive personalized and efficient support, leading to better experiences. It's a win-win situation for customers and businesses alike. Now let's talk about the finance industry. With Jasper.AI, financial processes have become more efficient and accurate. It's an excellent tool for data analysis and financial forecasting, resulting in a more streamlined and reliable financial system. Finally, let's recap the success stories in various industries. Jasper.AI has transformed healthcare, customer service, and finance industries. It's essential to consider Jasper.AI for business success as it not only improves overall efficiency but also provides better experiences for your customers. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you've gained a better understanding of Jasper.AI's importance in the world of business.